Are you getting it? Huh? Let's get it. Wait, let me touch whether. Okay, so we have a single phase motor. This is an industrial wall fan. So we are going to look at the connection and the direction. How to change the direction, if it is going clockwise direction or if it is going anti-clockwise direction. We look at how it can be corrected for it to be going clockwise direction, because the standing fan goes in clockwise direction while that of a ceiling fan goes in anti-clockwise direction. So assuming you finished rewinding this, or you discover that, or you want to reverse the direction of this industrial wall fan, I will show you how to do it. You know that an industrial wall fan is a single phase supply, and a single phase supply is made up of a running winding and a starting winding. So I have about 4 leads coming out from the coil. So these 4 leads represent the beginning of each of these windings, the starting winding or the running winding. Like this red and brown leads or cable represents or connects to the running winding. This red is the beginning or the starting point of the running winding, while this is the ending part of it. While these 2 cable represents the starting winding. So let's look at the connection to this. We have our single phase supply. We have the live and the neutral. This is the live, and this is the neutral. So let's look at how this is being connected, and the capacitor connection also. So this is the neutral connection. We tie it together. You can see the ending parts of each of those coils are being tied together. You can see, and it's being connected to the negative or to the neutral supply. This is the neutral supply. So we are now left with 1 lead of the running winding and another lead of the starting winding. Now we connect. This is a capacitor. The rating is 3.5 microfarad. So you join it together like this, and the other end goes to the starting winding. You see it? This goes to the starting winding. Then connect this to the live. The switch is off. That's why I'm able to touch this. So don't touch it with your bare hand. So let's start it and see. Alright. So as you can see, it's running in the opposite direction, which is anti-clockwise. And we want it running in clockwise direction. So what do? We change the capacitor connection to the starting winding. Look at what I will do now. Just interchange the connection on the capacitor. You see, the one that was formerly connected to the end of the starting winding, you now connect it to the beginning of the starting winding. This is the end of the starting winding, so I'm going to reverse this. So I will now connect the gray, which was formerly connected to the capacitor. So I've connected this one directly to the neutral. So there you go. So the last end will now connect to the capacitor. Alright, so let's start it and see the direction. Alright, you can see this is clockwise. You can see very well, it's clockwise direction. So I've showed you how to reverse the direction of a single phase motor, by just interchanging the capacitor connection on the starting winding. Okay.